Hello, Smart Shopper Guide viewers. Are you planning your next trip and looking for the perfect travel bag? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we've handpicked the top 5 best travel bags available on Flipkart. Whether you're traveling for business, adventure, or a weekend getaway, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive right in. Number 5. LUGZY Expandable Travel Duffel Bag with Wheels. Spacious and expandable, with a 65-liter capacity. This duffel bag is perfect for long trips. Smooth rolling wheels makes traveling hassle-free. Durable and water-resistant material keeps your belongings safe. Multiple compartments organize your essentials easily. Number 4. ARISTOCRAT Enigma 52 cm Soft-Sided Duffel Bag. Compact and lightweight, ideal for short trips and cabin luggage. Two-wheel design, easy to roll around airports and stations. Premium polyester material, stylish and sturdy. Spacious storage, keep your belongings neatly arranged. Number 3. PLEXY TILTY 65L Rucksack with Shoe Compartment. Perfect for trekkers and backpackers. Spacious 65-liter capacity for adventure lovers. Separate shoe compartment, keeps dirty shoes away from clean clothes. Waterproof and durable, built for all weather conditions. Adjustable straps and ergonomic design ensures comfort for long journeys. Number 2. Sky Spirit Duffel Bag with 2 wheels. Small and stylish, great for weekend trips. Easy to carry. Lightweight design with sturdy handles. 2-wheel system, smooth mobility for effortless travel. Number 1. Classic Carryall's Waist Bag / Fanny Pack Bonus Pick. And this multi-purpose bag, ideal for passports, phones, and travel essentials. Hands-free convenience, wear it on your waist or across your chest. Lightweight and stylish, perfect for city travel and adventure trips. So, which of these travel bags is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Shopper Guide for more amazing product reviews. See you in the next video. Bell turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates.